there's a common thread that I see today that binds us together. That common thread that I can see the deliberations of all the esteemed people over here is safety, security, sustainability, and more important, where I am here to deliberate in the 15 minutes is a smile on each one of us face, and smile not at the cost of discomfort, but smile at the cost of security, smile at the cost of ladies' safety, smile at the cost of all of us welfare. And this is a system what I am proud to present in front of you, made in India, made for India, architect for India, understanding the pain points of each one of you, each of your policy makers. Dear friends, we have traveled 3 years to develop a system which is foolproof, which is manufactured, made, understanding your pain points. What is applicable at Guwahati cannot be applicable at Bhubaneswar. We have traveled the nooks and corners to understand, because a system which is made for India should work for India. If it has to work for India, then only the smart city story will start. Then only the incubation of smart city will start. Then only you can proudly say, "Ye system kaam karta hai. This system is infallible. This system can work according to your needs." What Honorable Sir Mr. Sharma told, that analytics, data-driven safety, census integration can all be done. If it can all be done, we are standing together. We are developing together, we are thinking together, technology will realm us to exponential growth. My dear friends, you will be happy to know, your company, Havels, is an exponential growing company in terms of infrastructure capabilities with a manufacturing base. Your company, Havels, is registering 16x billion growth with a market capitalization of 25,000 crores, and we are the biggest takers and makers of lighting in India. And if that is the one thing, which is one thing that will generate us and define us, is a system that is capable, foolproof, and also accessible to all. This is the company which has been awarded by ETS Tech as the #1 street lighting player in India. Basically, what we intend to convey from this video is that it has been architected understanding your pain points, your needs. And in needs, we understand that today nobody is buying a smartphone which is not smart. So why do we buy a smart street light which is not smart? Why do we want to buy a smart street light and a smart mole which does not talk to your city infrastructure? If that street light cannot give you a predictive maintenance, my dear friends, you will not be buying us. And if you are not buying, then we are not in the business. So every street light, every fitting, every lighting fixture that is coming out from the Havers Bastion is smart enough to understand your needs, smart enough to understand the analytics, and smart enough to understand the safety of women who are roaming down in the street. And if that is one thing, we would say IoT is the neck break speed. Your company, Havels, has made in India been incorporating. And in street light, in street comm, we are giving voltage, ambience, current, temperature, and also the input and output temperature. We have gone to the next paradigm of development. We say, today, hey, you come and say that I want a parking sensor. Somebody other will come, I want a thermal sensor. Our street lights are made to understand what type of sensor requirements you can have 16x years from us. This street light system is defined, made for 2030, where India will be the truest smart city, what we are developing and debating now. In this smart city, we have extensively used the IoT and the RF mesh network. It can be a star network, it can be a mesh network. All these networks have been utilized, tested, and synchronized from made in India. The gateway also has been made in India, so it understands the service repairability and scalability in terms of guarantee and warranty that your city will demand. And if that is what the demand comes out, your company was awarded the best lighting company of the year because of all these initiatives. This is one of the study that we did as a demo. Your street light, the street light that will be there on the streets, will be working in warm light or a street light smart enough, which can be demonstrated outside where we have put a stall, where how a street light can be smart enough to understand your needs and be tunable to understand the needs of the desires of the human senses. And more important in that, I would like to put this floor open in terms of any question and answers, and if there is any unanswered things that you would like to be debated for. Thank you.